Hey, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. Today we are at iFly in Colorado Springs. I'm gonna go flying.
You know, we got our bucket list items. Miss Barbara's was a balloon ride, which we'll have a video on shortly. Mine was indoor skydiving. So we went to iFly in Colorado Springs. Of course, I had to sign my life away right there. Got me a flight suit. Looking pretty stylish. Then we had ground school. There's our instructor. Watch a few videos, hand signals, learn how to maneuver inside the wind tunnel. And it was time to suit up. And while we waited, I watched some of the advanced students maneuvering inside the wind tunnel. And you can't hear in there. You can't talk to one another. The air is moving about 200 kilometers per hour or 125 miles an hour, so they use hand signals. And they coordinate their movements. A little last-minute instruction. And then it's time to get underway. Let's go. Here's a team I was flying with. Again, making sure we had our maneuvers down pat. Stylish in that red flight suit. There's the team. Hey, everybody. Instructor gives us a thumbs up. We enter the wind tunnel waiting area. And then it's my turn as I lean in, hands up, and the instructor brings me into the tunnel. Kind of a strange feeling, but it is actually very similar to skydiving. Again, that air is moving pretty fast. There's 3 or 4 big turbines at the top of the building, and they draw air in. That air goes through tunnels and then back up through the bottom and blows through that wind tunnel. That wind tunnel is about 20 to 25 feet tall, and there's a cage at both ends. Obviously, that big net at the bottom and a net at the top. You certainly wouldn't want to fly into those turbine fans. But anyway, I'm not doing bad for the first time. And then he gives you a swing around and heads you for the door. That was a blast. Man, enjoyed that. Time for my second flight. This will also include the high flight, which means we're going to get off the ground on this one. Right here. Whoa! Hey, I don't know what happened there. I mean, the slightest movement of your legs, your hands, the way you position your hands. So he's telling me there to loosen them up, and we're off again. Assistant gets out of the way, and up we go. Man, you talk about fun. This was fun. And then we head for the door with a thumbs up from the instructor. Man, that was awesome. You can see Miss Barbara over there filming. Hey, crew. We all had a great time. And then, of course, the instructor has to show off. He says, this is what you can do one day if you just practice. And they offer courses from beginner all the way to advanced. And they also have competitions. In fact, in 2022, they had the U.S. Indoor Skydiving competition right there in Colorado Springs.
That was awesome. iFly, Colorado Springs. If you ever make it up this way, be sure to check them out. Well worth the price. Military discount as well. It was incredible.
And I get my certificate. How about that? And that certificate lists everything I did.
I flied. I didn't fall, I flied.
Here, the instructor is telling me about some of the fun things they do as they advance through the levels. Gave a wave to the crew on the way out, and there's their website right there. If you're ever in Colorado Springs, check them out.